G'day everybody, Paul Clark in the Motorsports Garage. Today we're going to be looking at the 66 Trans Am Tribute Coupe build. So let's go. Alright, so we got rust in the cowl on the Mustangs. Let's see what we got underneath it here. What are we dealing with? Oh! Look at this. Fiberglass. Nice. This one. Man. Yeah, that's a mess. People do some rough work. Alright, well, we better get on with it. See you later. Cheers. It's another frosty day in the shop and trying to rewire this Mustang, but it's sure and fit AC. This is the / Trans Am car we're putting together for our client, and sure makes a difference. It's a lot easier to do this wiring with the cowl out. And the cowl was rusting anyway, so I figured it's a good time to get in here. So I think we should make it this process all the time. Rewire it, pull the cowl. It's worth it, trust me. Not crawling underneath and get everything laid out good. But we're in the middle of that and tie it all in with the EFI from the 5 litre. But you know, it's getting there. The American Auto Wire kit, and it's good. It's easy to follow. I recommend it. But still, no cowl makes it easy. That's the way to go for sure. Let me know what you think. If you think it's a good idea or not. It's not that much more work. Alright, cheers. Well, good morning. We're back here finishing up some wiring on the Trans Am Mustang, or the Tribute Trans Am Series race car. Had the cowl out because it was all rotted, and the dash as well. Painted the dash now. You see all that in a previous video, the cowl out. And put the wiring in, American Auto Wire. Put the AC in, the AC in your heater box. The ECUs, everything's mounted now. Get the engine cleaned up, some of the engine wiring. And now we've still got some ends to finish up. The hoses, I'll show you a bit closer. Grab this here, we'll come over here, see. We got all the dashes all back in now with the wiring, and you can see the dash has been painted black, coming out pretty good. It's pretty nice. And the wiring at the back. Everything's plumbed. New AC lines there, and we've got wiring's been tidied up on the engine. We can come over here. I had to do some repairs to the firewall to accommodate the new clutch setup. You can see where the lines come through for the AC right there. Made up those lines, and if we come around, you can see the inside now. The dash came out pretty good, looks good in black. You got the vintage air under dash AC unit. The black and the red, looks nice. I got to finish off the instrument panel. But yeah, so it's coming out pretty good. Well, that's about it. So we'll carry on, do a little bit more, and then I'll get back to you guys when I'm finished. Shouldn't be long now. Alright, cheers. We're on our Mustang Trans Am Tribute car. We're going to go down here and do the rear brakes. So we'll see what we got. As if you can see, I'm going to come up around those brackets that they have to hold the calipers on. that there. Get this off and I'll show you. These brackets, well, they have spacers, and the spacers are too big. And what's happening is the brake pads are off center when they go in. And because they're off center, they drag on the rotor on one side, this side. So we need to change these dimensions. Today we're gonna make some new ones. Check it. A little more. And then we'll turn them down until they're like a ½ an inch. This is what we want. G'day, I'm Paul Clark, and we've been working on our Trans Am Mustang. It's a 66. It's more of like a tribute car to those Trans Am race days. And we've done a lot of work to it. We've replaced the cowl, all the new wiring, we've put a new dash in it, and now we're down to tidying up the engine wiring. We're almost done. And what do we got? Some new accessories we've put on, some new power steering setup for it, air conditioning, and it's all come out pretty good. I'll give you guys a bit of a look over here. Now we've got the power steering setup I mentioned I like. This one's from Lee Power Steering. And this being an Explorer engine, originally, what I've seen before is when you get them out of a Mustang, they're a little larger here in the front pulley system, right down through here. They come forward a little more, but on this Explorer system, combined with Lee's power steering products, we can get this a lot further back. Creates a lot more radiator clearance, and I could have used that in a Bronco build, so that I think that'd be good for an early Bronco V8 swap if you're ever going to do that. That would have been handy for me about a year ago. And anywho, this is all coming along pretty good. The AC's in now, it's all plumbed fairly nicely, and yeah, it'll be tidy. We're almost ready to get it fired up. So when we do, I'll get back to you and let you know how it goes. Cheers.